Hello, my name is Jean Kropper. I'd like to tell you about an opportunity to take part in a pilot workshop in meditative drawing. This is a 3-week program that will be held for 45 minutes twice a week. During the workshop, you'll discover how to apply meditative drawing techniques to calm a wildly busy brain, lower your stress levels, while having a lot of fun at the same time. No art experience is needed. It's easy art for a happier brain. This workshop is limited to 20 people, so you'll need to act quickly if you'd like to take part in this unique experience. So who is this workshop for? It's for anyone looking to relax, to find peace of mind, to experience a deeper balance in their lives, and wanting to connect with their creative side in a fun way. You might be a busy professional, or perhaps suffering from PTSD as a result of trauma, being a veteran or a first responder. You might be a parent, kind of overloaded, juggling too many things, or a practitioner who wants to know other ways to support your clients. Come join us on this 3-week journey. Here you'll find a safe space where you can explore your inner creativity and release any stress or worries that feel like too much of a burden. Rest assured, you don't need to be able to draw. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to welcoming you into the Meditative Drawing Workshop. Sign up now and let's get started.